Yeah, man!
This is a sorrel tree in the wild. They say when the leaf is dried off the tree like this, now is the right time to harvest the sorrel. To remove the sorrel's seed, use a knife to cut around the stem like this. And then remove the seed like this. This is fresh sorrel up close. I am saving the seeds for next year's crop. What a guan! I am Mikel Marvin Samuels. Watch me make fresh sorrel drink. Get ½ pound fresh seedless sorrel, 1½ inch piece ginger, 3 or 4 dried pimento berries. You could use whole cloves instead, or could use the star spice. ½ cup or more sugar. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. Wash the seedless sorrel herb clean. To do this, add ½ teaspoon or a pinch of salt and then pour enough water on it. Use your hand. With your fingers, spin the sorrel in the water like a washing machine and then rinse it under fresh running water. Chop 1½ inch piece ginger with skin. You could peel it if you want. Wash the ginger's skin clean in salt water as well and then rinse it. Next, get a blender ready. Add 2 cups of water into the blender and then cover it. Start the blender. Remove the blender's lid insert. Add clean, prepared, fresh sorrel through the insert in the blender. Do it like this. Add the ginger in the blender. Close the blender's lid insert. Allow blending between 5 minutes on high speed. After time, pour the mixture through a fine mesh strainer. To drain the remaining liquid, use a spoon to rotate the mash from side to side. Press on the mash to remove the remaining liquid. Or do like me, put a smaller strainer on top the bigger strainer with the mash and then use your hand to press the liquid out like this. This spoon that I'm using measures 1/4 cup sugar. Add 1/4 cup first. Taste it. If it is not sweet enough for your liking, add 1/4 cup more sugar and then taste it. Do this until it's sweet enough for you. For this proportion, ½ cup of sugar is sweet enough for me. If you would like your drink to be smooth, put a thin, preferably white piece of cloth on top of the strainer and then strain the drink a second time. Use a cheesecloth instead. Add the dried spices in the drink. The spices are optional. Look how rich is this fresh sorrel drink. If you want more drinks, double, triple, etc. the ingredients. Serve this fresh sorrel drink cool or on ice. This is fresh sorrel drink. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. You should subscribe and like. Share this video with everyone. Try making sorrel drink this way and then share your experience with us. Leave a comment. The flavor of this fresh sorrel drink is much more richer than the traditional boiled sorrel drink. I can taste the natural flavor of the sorrel herb. If you mix the sorrel drink this way, you will taste the fresh, natural flavor of the sorrel herb. And not to mention the enzymes. You will benefit from the natural enzymes in the herb. Until next time, Megan.